performance by an actor. Benjamin Alves, magpakailanman, Mister na walang misis, GMA7. Martin Del Rosario, magpakailanman, Almost a Champion, The Nenerio, The Amazing Arizala Story, GMA7. Kokoy De Santos, magpakailanman, A Son's Promise, The Kokoy De Santos Story, GMA7. Gabby Eigenman, magpakailanman, Mana sa Inang Ama, GMA7. Edgar Allan Guzman, magpakailanman, Love Times 3, The Joel and April Regal Love Story, GMA7. Alden Richards, magpakailanman, Sa Puso at Isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA7.
I think I'm wearing your suit in that photo, bro. All right. And the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor goes to Mr. Alden Richards. Magpakailanman Sa Puso at Isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA7, and presenting the award is PMPC PRO Eric Borromeo with Honorable Mamay of Manunungan, Lanao del Norte.
Check. Mga na, Roby. But anyway po, I know it's kind of late, but I would really like to take this opportunity to, of course, thank PMPC for this award po. But portraying the role of Andrew Cantillana is one of the most important roles I've done in my 15 years in the industry. I would like to thank, of course, the people behind Magpakailanman, of course, Kuya Senny Tigwen, who's here, my director, Direk Gina, and to all the cast members that was part of that storytelling. This award is not for me. I dedicate this award to those who are experiencing mental health problems. I think mental health is somehow unheard by the society, and the reason why I accepted the role is for me to be able to send a message to all the people who's going to be able to watch that series. Dahil ang mental health po ay hindi biro, hindi siya iniisip lang at gawa-gawa lamang ng mga nakaka-experience nito. Me personally was a victim of mental health issues. And growing up, my mom had bipolar depression, so I knew and I know exactly what it feels like, how it is to live in a household na meron po ganong klaseng suliranin. So with this, I hope that being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility, and we are able to send messages from different walks of life. Kaya sana po, with this award, I dedicate this to all the people who's undergoing something in their lives right now. The hardships, the struggles, napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip, napakahirap pong kalaban ng sarili. And I've been there, and I know. So to everyone who's listening to this message, to everyone who has these kinds of problems right now, I hear you, we hear you, and we are here to support and help you the most we can. So para po to sa lahat ng mga taong dumadanas ng mental health issues and mental health problems. And to the Cantillana family, if you're listening and watching this, sinabi ko to before when I did a Facebook live stream for the episode. I'm here for you guys. I know how it feels like, and one way or another, malalagpasan din natin lahat ng to. So this is for you guys. This is for those people that's part of our society. And of course, Lord, thank you so much for making me an instrument to send messages and to be of help to the ones in need. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC and everybody.
Best Drama Supporting Actress, Pinky Amador, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA7. Angel Aquino, Dirty Linen, TV5, A to Z. Rio Locsin, Black Rider, GMA7. Cherry Pie Picache, FPJ's Bottom Club, TV5, A to Z. Gladys Reyes, Black Rider, GMA7. Sylvia Sanchez, Senior High, TV5, A to Z. Maricel Soriano, Pirapilas un Paraiso, TV5, A to Z.
And the star for the Best Drama Supporting Actress goes to Miss Cherry Pie Picache, FPJ's Barang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations, Miss Pai.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise and kneel before Miss Cherry Pie Picache. Presenting the award is BMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bakun.
Ayan. Sa wakas. No, I would really like to thank PMPC. Maraming salamat. Kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Bihira itong mangyari eh. I'm always nominated. Bihira. Ayaw ko pagsabihin.
There, okay. It's all good.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time, once again, Miss Cherry Pie Picache.
Ayun nga, sa wakas. Kasi ulit talaga. Hindi, thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat talaga. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Kasi bihira ito bihira akong manalo. Laging nominated, so thank you talaga. And you know, this is a good affirmation for all the hard work and love I put into my craft. So salamat. But you know, in any creation, I cannot only do it alone as an actor. I always collaborate, and it's always a teamwork. So with this recognition, I would like to share it with ABS-CBN. Of course, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, Sir Mark, everyone. To my Dreamscape family, with loving thoughts to Sir Deo Edrinal. I'm sure you're smiling up there. Our founder of Dreamscape, and to my B61 management, headed by Mr. B-Boy Arboleda, Eileen, team, everybody in the group, Mr. Edgar Estrella, thank you for all your love and support, always. And the last but not the least, of course, to my Batang Quiapo and CCM Production family. It's headed by Coco Martin, who continuously show us na walang pinagtatagumpayan pag hindi pinaghihirapan, pinagpapasensyahan at pinagtatrabahuhan. Lagi yun. For your generosity, sa sipag mo, sobrang saludo kami. Sa sipag mo, sa lahat ng tulong mo na binibigay. Sa lahat ng tao at lalong-lalo na sa mga senior actors. Salamat, Mr. Coco Martin. And then, our other heads, Ayla Garcia, Lea Calmerin, all the Journey, Louis J, and our directors, Malu Sevilla, Daniel Villaflor, Richard Somes, to all the staff and crew who works very hard. Maraming salamat. Sana wala na ako nakalimutan. Of course, my last. Lagi ito, pag nananalo ko, sa buhay at pag-ibig ko, alam mong malaking bahagi nito para sa iyo, anak. Kay Neo. And to God all be the glory. Maraming salamat po. God bless us, everyone.
Yes, sir, award. We love you and congratulations.